guys, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. New to the channel, please consider subscribing. There's heaps of cool stuff just like this, and this is going to be a quick video showing you the 3-speed transmission on the Toyan X-Power. Thanks to Dennis and Double Deuce, he helped me out. Check out his channel down below. There was a spring kind of funny looking connecting servo arm, but I don't like it. I like the kind of solid rod connecting arm, so it's much better now. I've got it working quickly. I'll show you that it shifts, and yeah, let's have a look. So here we go. Here I have on this button here to start. There we go there, and this here goes in to reverse and forward and reverse and neutral. So I'm going to have a back that's in reverse, center is neutral, forward is forward obviously. Now it's just idling away. Now if I want to go into first gear, push that all the way down. There we go there. First. Idling away, I'm running pretty nicely. Change to medium gear, you want to go up. So I want to push up on here, like that. And medium, you push it back in reverse. Medium. And you want to go high speed, push this forward. There you go there. This is in high gear now. Medium. Pretty cool. Now let's put it back into neutral. Back into neutral. Medium. Back into neutral. So if you don't want to do low speed, you can just leave it up in that particular mode, and you can just flick. You can just flick with the remote, depending how you have it set up. It's a bit hard to do one-handed, but yeah, you can leave it in. So this is in medium. You can just muck around a medium if you want. Go out and about. Second. Third. Now one thing I haven't seen is on the ground in how quick it actually goes. Or how it actually takes off in. Oh yeah, that's much quicker. I don't have brakes on it at the moment. Yeah, that's heaps quicker. Not too bad. So as you can see, fun times. But at least it all works now. So that should be, yep. So if I go this, little bit finessing. There we go, that's in highest gear. Yeah, heaps better. Oh. And this should be in medium. Or high, sorry. Yeah, wow, that goes good. You can see bogging down, obviously. And that should be medium. Yep, and just for, let's put it in neutral and go all the way down. And this is first gear. Where's first gear? There we go. So you can see a big difference, but yeah. I'll do another video later, but you can see how much quicker it takes off. But pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Glad it all works. Putting away nicely. Alright guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Links down below if you want. Want to put it back in neutral. to do that as well. Pretty awesome little setup. I do like it. Just takes a little bit to get used to it, but it's... Alright guys, see you in the next video.